How to share YouTube video on Facebook. To get started, first of all open up the YouTube application. You are now in the YouTube homepage. Here, you can explore and watch YouTube videos. Now, scroll down and go over to any video that you want from here. Then, tap on the three dots below the video. Now, tap on Share. Here, you will find all the sharing options available. Select Facebook from the options. You will then be taken to this page on Facebook. Add a caption if you want. After that, tap on Post at the top right corner. You have now successfully posted this YouTube video to Facebook. Go to your profile to view the video. Following these steps, you can easily share YouTube video on Facebook. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.